Hi everyone, it's Stephanie. I'm back with another quick Excel tip. Today I'm going to talk about how to navigate through large workbooks. You might already know this, but if you don't, this should save you some time. So I'm showing you on my screen right now a workbook that has several tabs. If in the lower left corner I scroll on this button, you can see I'm actually scrolling through several tabs. There are 20 tabs in this workbook. Now, you could have 50 tabs. I'm going to show you a fast way to jump from tab to tab, and that is in this lower left corner between these two arrows. You can just right click, and it will give you a whole list of all the spreadsheets in this workbook. So you can choose one, and it will jump right to it. You can also control click on this lower right arrow, and it will slide the workbook all the way to show you the last tab. So you can choose that. If you want to get back to the front of your workbook quickly, then control click on this left arrow and it will slide it all the way over to the first tab and you can activate that. I also really like to use my keyboard to move between sheets quickly, which is control page down will actually move you from sheet to sheet, and control page up will move you back. So that is a quick tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.